Hello, welcome back to Jerry Monetization Vlog again. Today I'll be showing you how to change your billing address and resend your PIN. If you have sent your PIN to a wrong address, you can still change it. First, you have to go to payments. Then under your payments info, you can change the details. Now you scroll down to your name and address. You edit it. Then you can change to the postal code you want to resend your PIN to. After editing there, then you click save. Because I did not make any change now, I'm not going to see that save button. But if you make any changes here, you can save it. Then you go back to verification check. You can see identity has been verified. Now it is time to verify the address. Address verification needs attention. I have formally sent my PIN to a wrong postal code, which I have already changed in the billing address. So right here, I will click on resend PIN. Now, when I click on resend PIN, it shows me the new postal code I have added at my billing address. But if you have not changed it, you can also click here to update your address. I have already put my new postal code here. So I will click on resend for my PIN to be resent to the new postal code I have added to my address. But if you have not done yours, you click on update address. Since I have updated my address, I'll click on resend PIN. Now, as I click on resend PIN, the The address has been also changed here to the new postal code, and it was sent on the 2nd of August 2022, which is today's date. So in the next 3 to 4 weeks, I'll go and check my postal office to get my PIN. So this is how to change your billing address and resend your PIN. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to Jerry Monetization Vlog. If your channel is not yet monetized, you can watch my videos to see how to get your channel monetized. Thank you and subscribe.